I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites so you avoid config fights later. Install Node, JS18+, npm, and git, then create the project folder and run npm init. Once done, add Workbox and a small static server like Express or Serve. You'll need HTTPS for service worker testing. Make a manifest, JSON, and include 192 times 192 and 512 times 512 icons, plus localized strings for Congo French or Lingala. Initiating these first steps saves hours when you register the service worker next. Now you implement the service worker so the PWA works offline and sends SOS reliably. Register SW.js from your main script and then use Workbox to precache the app shell. This guarantees instant load. For images, use cache first, while APIs and SOS endpoints use network first with timeout fallbacks. This balances freshness and resilience. Add a queued background sync to retry failed SOS posts and include an offline HTML fallback. This middle step is where reliability and user trust are built. Finish by wiring the manifest and push so users can install and receive alerts. Set display to standalone, correct scope, and start URL. Generate vapid keys and implement push subscription server-side. Then test thoroughly. Install on a device, toggle offline, and trigger SOS to validate background sync. If something breaks, check service worker scope and HTTPS. Confirm fetch handlers return responses, and that retry queue persists. One key tip: enable verbose service worker logging. Most issues reveal themselves in the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.